welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the Miele TCR780WP, a tumble dryer, absolutely automatic tumble dryer, amazing machine, absolutely responsive touch screen with a lot of programs preset, a normal, delicates and bed linens, silk. Yeah, there is an express mode too, shorts, denims, soft steam. Yeah, here it is. If you're washing some shoes like the ones that I'm washing now on the washer, you have a basket. Actually, you have to buy it separately, but you have the program, the outdoor proofing pills, really a lot, sanitize. I love the function where the washing machine and the dryer are communicating each other with the function wash to dry. So the wash program used on the wonder machine just will continue with the dryer. So I already insert the basket, and once the laundry is done, I simply will continue there. It's not necessary to set any additional parameters. Just the dryer will use the same program from the washing machine.